So I'm going to talk about this book that I have to read. It's called A Trip to London. This is what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk a little bit about the book and then some facts. So in this book you can experience a trip to London. It's like if you were going to London and you make the decision, of where you're going and what you're doing. And depending on the decision you make, you go to one page or another. It's kind of confusing. So
is it confusing?
Yeah, sometimes because you don't know where you're
going. So is it like a puzzle?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not. You can't read anything.
So it's not a real book. It's like okay, you read it depending. Okay.
Yeah. So this is an example. You're at the airport, and how do you go to the city center? If you take a taxi, you go to section 30, and if you take the tube, you go to section 19. That's an example.
I want you to pay attention because I want you to ask a question next time.
And then my favorite thing about the book is that you're the main character and you decide what to do and where to go, and it's not like reading another book, a normal book where everything is written and you can't change anything, but here you decide where to go and everything. So these are some of the things I did. I stayed at a bed and breakfast instead of a hotel because it was cheaper and they give you more points because also it has points.
Oh, so you can win a prize at the end?
No, you don't win anything, but it tells you your holiday was amazing or your holiday was okay.
Depending on how many points you get? Okay.
So this is what I did. I stayed at a bed and breakfast instead of a hotel. I went to Oxford Street. I went to Kensington Gardens, to Hyde Park. And then these are some random things that appeared in the book and I thought they were
interesting. Yeah.
So what bed and breakfast is, it's similar to a hotel, but it's usually cheaper and it's a large house where you can stay with more tourist people. These, I'm not really sure about these, but it says in pubs in Britain, you don't sit and wait for someone to come and take your order.
You usually have to go to the bar and order your drink. Yeah. But sometimes, in some pubs, there is a waiter or a waitress that go and ask you for your drink. But you usually have to stand up and go to the bar, yeah.
And then Kensington Gardens, I didn't know about these. And
I don't either.
Well, they're like, it's like a park and it's at the top of a building and you can go there and there is a lake with ducks and everything.
And is it Kensington?
Yeah, and at the top of a department store. I have a picture.
Okay.
And then Time Out magazine, I didn't know about this either. And it's a magazine where you can find out about what's going on and what's happening.
You didn't see any when we were in London? No. Oh, I forgot to tell you because you can see them everywhere. Yeah.
I didn't know about these.
Yes.
I've seen it online. I've seen the one page.
No, but the actual magazine, well, it's easy to find there, yes.
And here are some pictures. These are Kensington roof gardens.
So that is a roof?
Yeah. And it's a department store and that's it.
Okay.
And this is the cover of an issue of Time Out magazine. And that's it.
Oh, thanks for listening. Okay, well, excellent presentation. So, I guess you have plenty of questions to ask her. So come on, you start.
Where, what did you choose? The taxi or the underground?
I chose the tube. Yeah.
Because now you can take the tube and go wherever you want easily. Okay.
Did you like the book?
Yeah, I really liked it. Although it was a little confusing sometimes because I didn't remember the points or anything. So I had to write them down, but I really liked it.
Would you recommend it?
Yeah.
You can take it. You can borrow it from the library if you want for this summer.
Yes.
Why did you choose this book? I mean, that talks about your mom and about Robert?
Because I don't know.
We can't hear you. Can you repeat that, please?
Because I love London.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
We didn't know that. Okay.
Te